Hello, welcome to my channel DIY with Aurea. I'm going to be repurposing this picture frame that my son gave me. He said he found it. I'm going to take it apart. It has a lot of staples. I'm going to put this part to the side and I'm going to come in with some baking soda and put some on that white chalk paint, and I'm going to give it 3 coats. So now that it's dry, you see these succulents. These are the succulents that I'm going to be using. I purchased like around 90 of them for $10 at a garage sale. So now I'm going to come back to this piece. I'm going to take everything out. This has a lot of staples. So I'm going to paint it with the same chalk paint. I'm going to make sure that I give it at least 1 or 2 coats. Once that is done, I'm coming in with this burlap ribbon, and here it is. I put it off camera, and now I'm going to come back with this twisted craft paper. It cost me $1 at a garage sale as well. No, actually it was a secondhand store. That's where I bought that one at. And I'm going to put it on all of these corners with some hot glue. Okay, so now it's time for the succulents. I'm going to put 2 of them right here. And with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put 1 in the bottom, just like you see, and 1 on top. And now it's time to close this picture box up. Let me know if you would have put some green succulents inside, or if you like the one that I just chose, yellow and orange. So I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased this little animal planter. And I also have this one. Is a squirrel. His name is Skip. I'm going to go outside and paint it with this Rust-Oleum white paint. Wait a couple of hours. And this is the way it looks, all white. Now I have this plastic. I'm going to put it in here. Some Spanish moss. And another succulent. And look at how gorgeous. I hope you enjoy it. So this I had in my backyard for many years. It was one of those lamps, night lamps, and it broke and I was about to throw it out. But then I said, let me see what I can come up with. So now let's go ahead and take this piece out since it's not working. And I'm going to paint it in yellow. And this little bird was already dangling, so I'm going to take it out. But I can still use it for future projects, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it away. And now that it's all completely yellow and dry, I'm going to come back with some more of that chalk paint and paint both of those 2 sunflowers. I'm taking some of this jute string. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the entire handle all the way to the bottom. I think this is looking so beautiful, and to think that I was about to throw this away. And this is what it's called, trash to treasure. And using some more of this twisted craft paper and with some hot glue, I'm going to glue a piece all the way in the bottom. And as you can see, I took some of this jute string and I'm going to hot glue it right here on top. that is all decorated, I have some fairy lights. I'm gonna put them inside along with these yellow flowers, and this is completely done. I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I took a mop, I took it apart, and I took the hair and I braided. And with this anchor that I got at Dollar Tree, I'm gonna start wrapping the braided mop hair all around the anchor. Just sit back, relax, and watch. And for those that don't know my little girl, look at her. She needs attention all the time. Her name is Diva, for those that don't know her. And she's about to be 14 years old. And maybe the next time that you see her, you won't recognize her because she will be getting a haircut. And if you want to continue to see my little cat and my DIYs, I would recommend you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button along with that bell that's next to it, the notification button, so like that YouTube will notify you every time that I upload a video. And don't forget, if you like this video, give me that big thumbs up. That does help my channel. So as you see, the mop hair is already all put in place with lots of hot glue. And now with this nautical rope, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here on the loop that's on top of the anchor. I'll do that to the outside loop and to the inside loop. And now with this nautical rope, I'm just gonna go ahead with a little bit of hot glue. I'm gonna wrap it around the anchor. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing, and don't forget to leave me your name and from what part of the world you are watching me. And also don't forget to let me know which one of these DIYs is your favorite. I hope you enjoy it. And for our final DIY, I got this at Dollar Tree along with this Ahoy metal sign. I'm gonna start by taking out the metal piece. Oh, before I do that, I have some starfish and some more rope. But I'll take this out right now. And it was pretty easy to take out. It just snapped right out. And look at how pretty. So I'm thinking about putting it right in this corner. But before then, let's go ahead with the rope and put it along the whole entire board. Look at how pretty it's looking. I love this white rope from Dollar Tree. That is gorgeous. I love it. So now let's go ahead and use some of these tumbling blocks. I'm going to use 2 of them with some hot glue, only to make it look like 3D or elevated. So now that the Ahoy sign is in, I'm coming in with this Santa dollar, and I'm going to put some glue right here in the middle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and glue it on the opposite corner from that starfish, I should say. It's been a long day, guys, and now I'm coming in with these beautiful shells from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree. I love my Dollar Tree. And look at how bold. Oh my God, this is coming out so beautiful. I am just loving it. And I have this jute twine that has a wire in the middle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it around the anchor. And I am hoping that you love this DIYs. Just let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. I hope you love them all, and if you do, don't forget that thumbs up, share it with the world, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.